Nicole Brazier at the 2014 Geeky Awards. I'm with Jesse, Jeff, and
Sam.
It was so close. There was 2 J's and an S, and they are nominees tonight for the Wonder Woman trailer. And we're gonna have you explain, a little behind it.
Sure. Well, last year we wanted to do some superhero related. We want to do something, especially with like a female superhero, because they're just underrepresented right now in live action. So that was our big thing. We just wanted to make something really fun and cool, and it was awesome. I mean, it succeeded by far our wildest expectations. So this has been great.
There's someone who's set to be Wonder Woman, right? Who is it?
Gal Gadot in the new Batman Superman movie. Yeah.
Are you happy about that choice?
My fingers are crossed. No judgment until the film comes out, but I'm really hoping they represent her well on the big screen. It's about time.
That's awesome. Thanks so much, guys. We're going to keep it short here with Real TV Films. Nicole Brazier at the 2014 Geeky Awards.